Oh my gosh, it's amazing! It's carpet skating! Whee!
So you get it on.
All four of them. All four, wow. And wait, how do this goes up like this? Oh, yeah.
And last year we had a group get together on a Saturday and spent all morning and most of the afternoon building these drones from scratch.
We built them last year, and then we've kind of been tweaking them here and there, making some fixes when we fly and crash them.
And this is just a way for them to understand more at a deeper level how technology works, and it gives them an opportunity to get hands-on with some of the technology.
We love to invite the high school students to the library to share their talents and skills. It's a really great opportunity for them to help in the community and be an inspiration to the younger kids.
Okay, so
You don't give in. Yeah, you never give in.